Hello, and welcome back to our Fasinii tutorial series. In this episode, we will walk you through the steps to create your very own Fasinii account. So let's get started. Step 1. Start by visiting the Fasinii website. You can do this by going to the Google search page and typing www.fasinii.com into the search bar. Our website will be the first one located at the top of the page. Step 2. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the Fasinii homepage. Once you locate this, click on it to access the login page. Step 3. Locate the Register Now button on the login page. This can be found underneath the Sign In button but above the Forgot Password button. Click on this and you will be taken to the registration page. On this page, you will need to provide some essential information to set up your Fasinii account. Enter your full name, your email address, and create a strong and secure password. Next, complete the CAPTCHA to prove that you are not a robot. And once all these required fields are filled in, click the Sign Up button. This will redirect you to the login page where you can now log in to your newly created Fasinii account. If you would like to, you can also choose to save your password securely on your computer for added convenience, so that you never have to worry about forgetting your Fasinii account credentials. And there you have it. You are all set to explore the world of Fasinii with your new account. Stay tuned for more tutorials in this series where we will delve into the fantastic features of Fasinii. So until then, happy renting!